First at 5:30, new details on a story we've been tracking since last week, the tragic death of a dog while being groomed at a store.
And we're now hearing from state animal control officials as the family of the dog disputes the store's response. Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen has the details. New at 5:30. Steve?
Well, Mike Kelly, the pug's owners are not accepting Petco's explanation for what happened. So we wanted to sit down with the RISPCA to see where their investigation stands. Ollie's family's fighting a necropsy report from Tufts. The pug was taken to Petco in Middletown to have his nails trimmed. But when the owner returned, she says Ollie was on the ground dead. Dr. Ernest Finocchio with the RISPCA says the necropsy shows there was no evidence of trauma to Ollie's head or neck.
I don't feel there was any intentional negligence or recklessness intentional in any way, shape, or form.
What it does show, Ollie has brachycephalic syndrome, which all pugs have. It means their soft palate is large and can make it tough to breathe under stress. The Tufts report says Ollie's was severely elongated,
which taxed his respiratory system, resulting in him perishing.
Ollie's family doesn't buy it as the cause of death, saying in a statement, Petco's attempt to deny responsibility by claiming during the exact 10 minutes my daughter was in the store, Ollie suffered spontaneous respiratory arrest out of the blue, coincidentally while being restrained by a slip lead around his neck, having his nails trimmed, not only defies belief, but continues to make Ollie's death even more distressing for our family. Petco responded to the necropsy, saying, as a result of this information, we do not believe the actions of the pet stylist who trimmed Ollie's nails, nor any other store partners were responsible for his untimely passing. Dr. Finocchio says he plans to interview the two Petco technicians tomorrow to hear about the details leading up to Ollie's death. Finocchio says the family's also considering having a second necropsy performed to get a second opinion. I'm Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.